Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you guys how to prepare a very delicious Nigerian okra soup. This recipe is very simple to follow, and like I will always say, you don't have to spend all day in the kitchen. This is simple, quick, and very delicious. Please don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. So what I have in the blender is some jumbo pepper, some hot pepper, and then some little onions. Blend it roughly, not too smooth, yeah, because the blender I normally use to do some rough blending has got spoiled, so I had to use this. But if you want, you can make yours a little bit rougher than it is right now. So get a palm oil, put it on a dry pot in the fire, allow it to hot, and then add your minced pepper into it. After adding it, stir it, just stir, and then when you're done stirring, you have to cover the pot and allow the pepper to simmer. So when you notice that you can see the oil floating on top of the pepper, it means it is actually ready. So what I will put in next is some crayfish. This actually take your okra soup to the next level. It gives it a very good flavor. Next, I will be adding some goat meat foot. That's what I've just added to the pot. I stir together. Seriously, you're going to be seeing a lot of stirring in this kitchen. So I add some dry fish, some mackerel fish, and some prawns, and then you stir. While you're stirring, you just want all those sauce to cooperate with your protein in the pot. And next, you can add some of your meat stock. So the stock I've just added is from the goat meat. And next, I'm adding some dry goat meat. I normally dry goat meat from Nigeria. Whenever I have someone going to Nigeria, I ask them to buy me a full goat, and then they will dry it and bring it back. So whenever I'm cooking, I like that flavor of goat meat in my meal. And now you can add more water, depends on how light or how thick you want the okra soup to be. And next, I'm adding some Maggi cube, and then I'm going to go on with some crayfish and then some salt. Stir it properly and then cover it and allow it to simmer. So after a few minutes, your protein is going to be looking like this. Look at how delicious this look already. So next, I like to blend some of my okra and then dye some. This will just make your okra soup to really stretch very well. Add some more crayfish if you want. This is optional. You either want to add some more crayfish or not add some more crayfish. But in my house, we love spicy meal, so I'm going to be adding some more scotch bonnet. If you don't like spicy meal, please skip this part. But seriously, if you love spicy meal, you're going to love this one. And one secret with okra soup is that after putting the okra, please don't cover the pot. If not, your okra is not going to stretch. Please don't cover your pot. That's one secret about okra soup. Once you cover the pot, the okra is not going to stretch anymore. So just leave the pot wide open, and then your okra soup is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you love this recipe, and if you've not subscribed already, please hit on the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. By the way, my name is Favor. I'm from Akwa Ibom and born and bred in Warri. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.